Hello again, welcome back. In the last section, I showed you how to use the Active Teach interactive whiteboard software for Poptropica. Now I'm going to show you how to use our online tool, the Pearson English Portal. The Pearson English Portal connects teachers, learners, and world-class resources, enabling you to work together anytime and anywhere, providing rigorous pedagogical development powered by advanced technology. It is flexible and uniquely comprehensive. Pearson English Portal is an easy-to-use tool which enables a better digital experience by giving you and your students access to a course and interactive materials. Let's learn how we can add this portal effectively to your teaching journey. To access the site, just type english.com/login into your web browser address bar. The Pearson Turkey support team manages your accounts for you. You don't need to register yourself to the system. Just use the username and password details your Pearson contact shared with you. If you haven't received them yet, contact your Pearson representative. After you log into the system, you will see your home page with the Pearson products you are using this year. The banner displays a welcoming message. Here you can also switch between your instructor and student accounts. To switch between teacher and student mode in your account, simply click on Teach for the teacher version or Learn for the student version on the banner. The Product tab is displayed first by default. Here, you can find all the Pearson products that you have access to and ones that have already expired. The Classes tab shows all of your virtual classes. Let's see how you can plan and teach your lessons. Select your product and click on the book icon. I'm scrolling down to Poptropica Level 2. Under the Presentation Tool tab, first select the Unit 2, and then the lesson you wish to teach. In the Plan tab, let's look at Lesson 2. You can find how the lesson flows and the comprehensive guided lesson plans that help you prepare your lessons easily. If you click on the Teach tab, you can open the online teaching tool to make your lessons more interactive. Use the lesson flow at the bottom to access additional resources for the lesson, or to navigate through the different parts of the unit. With the help of the lesson flow, you can see what's coming next, and it will be a great help in planning your lessons. Click on Teaching Notes to show the notes for this lesson. In Teaching Tools, you can find the tools to make your lessons more interactive. For example, timer, scores, drawing, or highlighting. The blank icon will allow you to go to the whiteboard. Let's clear off those. If you click on Page View, you can see the whole page of this lesson as it appears in your students' books. In the Resources tab, there is a wealth of teaching resources for your product in digital format that will save your time on preparation. If you have any concerns about internet connectivity, you can download the presentation toolkit and use it offline. Click on the Offline Presentation Tool tile. It's usually located at the bottom of the page. Click on Open for the file type, Windows or Mac, that you would like to download. The download will begin immediately. Once downloaded, follow our installation instructions to correctly install the product on your computer. You can assign activities as homework to your students to encourage them and track their progress. But how? First, click on the dashboard and go to your home page. Go to the Classes tab and click on the menu button to expand the options list. Select Assignments. Click on the Create New Assignment button or the Create New Assignment link. Fill in the assignment title, for example, Homework 1. Select a due date, next Friday. Due time, 5 p.m. is good, and give it a color. I'm giving it red. Now select the activities you wish to assign from the drop-down list. I'm going to Unit 2 and drop down. You can select activities separately or select all options all at once. The selected activities will appear below, and you have the option to reorder them by dragging them up or down the list. Select single students or the whole class and click on the Assign button, like so. Congratulations, your assignment has been made. After you assign the homework, you can see how your students are progressing. To view the class performance overview, go to the Classes tab and click on the menu button to open the options list. Now select Performance and view the overall performance, average score, and scores by skill of your class. Click on the arrow to see the average score of a particular student compared to the class average, marked in green on circle charts, as well as scores for particular skills. If you click on the name of the student, you can see the individual student performance. If you have any questions, you can contact us at yardam.pearson.com.tr. Have a wonderful academic year, and thank you for listening.